Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review today analyzing Monspark, a tool that claims to monitor the performance and functionality of your website with real-time notification. So it's an alternative to better uptime, but with more features. They will just create many different kinds of monitor with different kind of functionalities, and you will be able to track everything in real time with real-time notifications. Those real-time notifications can be via phone, SMS, email, or other channels. So it's an alternative to ping dons, status page, uptime robots, and better uptime that is a previous AppSumo gel. So Monspark is a web application monitoring tool that lets you track your website and app's uptime functionality and content change. The gel it is already getting positive reviews on AppSumo, and you can see here that you're gonna get the features of the starter plan if you buy tier 1 and 2, or the pro plan if you buy the tier 3. So to get all the features, you should buy at least tier 3. Tier 1 and tier 2 only gives you the features of starter plan. To get the pro, so tier 3. And with tier 1 and tier 2, you're gonna get one user 75 monitors and 10 status page. This status page is a page that you can show up all the monitors that you would like to your public, for configurability, etc. And if you buy tier 2, you get more users monitoring status page. If you buy tier 3, more as well, but you get those features here: source code monitoring, network monitoring daily, and whole-wise monitoring daily. You can go up to tier 5, and when you get the tier 5, you will get unlimited status page, more users to monitor, but tier 4 also gives you the unlimited status page. So you get more benefits if you buy tier 4 and beyond. So let's take a look at the tool. You can see here the dashboard, and everything's pretty simple. You just have a one button. It's a kind of a one button tool, one button to create monitor. And then you're gonna see the monitor that they have, the uptime monitor, alerts when your site is down and notifies you automatically when it goes back up. So many tools have that kind of monitor, but they have more. So text monitor helps you monitor text on a website and notify when you have any change on the text. Screenshot helps you monitor the screenshot of a website and notify you when it changed. So it's a visual monitor. Lighthouse helps you monitor your page quality and detect potential problems. So for the sake of that review, let's try this one first. So I'm gonna add my website here, like every one day. You can see here, you can choose the emulation device, if desktop or iPhone, your notification settings, if you want email, if you want SMS, etc. Just so that I need a better plan to create this one. I'm gonna show you the uptime monitor that I just created. So for Lighthouse, you would need a premium plan, but then you're gonna see they will keep track of SEO issues that your website has experienced, PWA, best practice, accessibility, performance. IP blacklist monitor helps you monitor your IP address and notify when your IP is blacklisted. The DNS help you monitor your DNS records to keep your website secure and up to date. Domain expiration monitor, so you can see when you're gonna expire your domain. Ping monitor for latency. TCP monitor, cookie monitor helps you monitor cookies of a website and notify you when they change. Wise monitor helps you monitor your domain, Wise records, and notify you when a record changes. So I'm showing you all the kind of monitors that they have. The sitemap as well to monitor the sitemap. So when you have any change, you're gonna be notified. So it can be replace Hexowatch as well. Port Discovery Monitor helps you monitor the open port of an IP address and notify you when port is open or closed. Trace route, the route of a network, notify when it changes. URL Monitor, okay, Subdomain Monitor, and Source Code Monitor. They have a lot of different kind of monitor, as you can see here. After you create a monitor, you will be able to track all of them and view the details. Here's a uptime monitor that I have created. See here on my dashboard. That's the kind of features that I'm gonna see. A global uptime, so 100% for last hour. The response, you can see all monitors are up. SSL certificates, okay, it's working. No downtime detected all the time. So you're gonna have a lot of details with the global uptime feature. Of course, you're gonna get different details as well with the other kinds of. And here's the status page. You can create a status page and select the monitor you wanna see. Just give a name to a page and drag and drop the monitor you want and click on create status. Status page will work something like that, divided by groups, and you can see the monitor here. You'll also be able to see previous incidents and maintain it. So all your incidents will be reported. You also get a surface feature where you'll be able to track your SEO score, integrity score, security score, and availability score. Creations, by now they have Discord, Slack, Microsoft Teams, SMS, and phone calls. You will be able also to invite team members by adding their email here. Overall, I think it's a pretty unique tool. It said that I can't test all the feature because I don't have a premium plan. I didn't buy it yet. If you would buy it, you need to buy at least tier 3, I think, to get all the pro plan. It's the best tier, the best cost benefit. I like that you have different kind of, and they are, you have usability for that. So screenshot monitor inside the same tool, uptime, text monitor so you can track your competitors, house audit, so you have a SEO feature here powered by Google. You can track the domain expiration, the ping, the IP blacklist, the cookie ones that it's really important to prevent privacy issues. So you have a lot of different kind of monitor here, and this is the first tool on AppSumo to offer this kind of flexibility, and they can replace many tools at the same time. I think it's a good deal. If you need a tool like that, you should buy it. We can see that the the tech is solid and the metrics are good. So I would go for that. Take a look at the tool. I just added the link in the description with the best price. And there you can see more details about the deal. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.